Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by parking level and ensuring the engine is cold. This prevents burns and keeps tension stable. Once done, release any clips and pry off the belt covers. Work slowly so you don't break tabs. You'll need a strong, flat lever or adjustable crescent as a makeshift tool to relieve tension. Position it against the tensioner pulley and apply steady pressure to rotate the tensioner. Make sure to observe the belt routing before removal so reinstallation is straightforward. You now remove the old belt by easing it off the smallest pulley first so the rest relaxes without twisting. Once free, compare the replacement belt to confirm rib count and length match. This avoids misfit and noise. Route the new belt around fixed pulleys and accessory idlers exactly as you observed, leaving the tensioner for last. As you draw it over the final pulley, keep the belt centered on ribs. This alignment prevents slipping and premature wear as you prepare to set tension. You release the tensioner slowly so the new belt seats evenly. Rapid release can misalign it. Once in place, double-check that all ribs sit in grooves and no edges are hanging. Start the engine briefly and listen. A short squeal may disappear as the belt settles, but persistent noise indicates misalignment or wrong size. If slipping or noise continues, shut off immediately, recheck the routing and tensioner spring engagement, and swap the belt if dimensions don't match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.